Hello viewers, welcome back to another very exciting tutorial from Web Learning Academy. I am your host Ibrahim. In this video, I will show you how you record your screen and make videos. Before jump into the course, I want to tell you few basic things about making a video. Creating a high quality video is mostly based on your paperwork. I suggest you to do these three things before you get started. Number 1. Storyboard. Number 2. Script. Number 3. Save and share. Before press the record icon, make sure those three things are ready to go. First, create a simple storyboard. What will be recording? This helps you to stay focused and on track. Second, write a script so you know exactly what to say and when to say. Third, decide where to save your video, maybe on your hard disk drive or the popular destination like YouTube or Google Drive. Right now you are in the Camtasia Studio 9 main interface. This interface made of by timeline where you can arrange or add your clips. The tools panel where your media is stored along with the shape, animation, effects and other essential elements. The canvas where you can move, resize, position your object and preview your medias, and the properties panel where you can fine tune your media and effects. To start your recording, click the recorder button, which can be found at the top of the tools panel, which opens the Camtasia recorder. By default, recorder is set to capture everything happens on your screen. To customize the capture setting, choose the custom button to change recording area. Here you can also customize the camera button and audio button. Click the custom drop-down icon where you can see wide screen and standard default option. Those are fixed ratio. Even you can customize your screen area by simply drag and resize the area. In the boxes, the width and height will be shown. Even you can fix the ratio by click on the lock icon. After that, if you want to increase or decrease the capture area, it will be increase or decrease with the same ratio. To make the ratio changes, only you need to unlock it. You also change your capture position by hold and drag. After all the thing is set, press the record icon. Keep in mind, once the recording is begun, you cannot change the recording size or its location on the screen. When finished the recording, click the Camtasia Studio 9 recorder icon, then click the stop button. If you are not happy with the recording, then press delete to try again. The capture is automatically appear in the media bin on the canvas and the timeline where the top track is microphone audio and the bottom track is screen video and system audio. System audio are the sound that come from your computer. To preview a video, hit the play button or press the space location on the screen. When finished the recording, now you need to edit and produce the video. On my later videos, I will show you step by step how you can edit or make changes using Camtasia Studio 9 tools, which located left side on the screen. After complete the editing, you need to export the video. To do that, you need to click on the share button. If you want to save your video file into hard drive, then select local file, or you can directly upload the video file to the popular destination like screencast.com, Vimeo, YouTube or Google Drive. In this video, I will save the file to my hard drive. So I will select local file. Custom production setting from the drop down menu. Then click next. Now you have to choose the output format of your video. MP4, WMV, AVI is available as your video format. I recommend to go with MP4. After select the format, click next. Here you can find some additional options about your video. On my later videos, I will explore them one by one. That's how they work. Now click next. Here you also find some additional option. On our later videos, I will cover it also. Now click next again. Here you have to give a name to your video. Here you have to select the destination where your video will be saved. You can save it to your desktop or any partition of your hard drive. Click save and hit the finish button. After that, the rendering process will be started. When the project rendering will be done, a new pop-up will be shown up that gives you a message that production is complete. Now you can click the cross icon or hit the finish button. Before you close the software, you can save the project file for future use. To do that, click on the File menu, then select Save As from the drop-down menu, then save the project on your hard drive. I hope you learned something from this tutorial and enjoy it. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are already subscribing to my channel, then thanks a lot for that. I really appreciate it. If you have any question, suggestion regarding this video, then feel free comments under the video. If my video really helpful to you, then don't forget to like and share my video. This will inspire me to make more useful videos for you. See you on my next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.